Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazmine Lambarca, and today I have a quick get ready with me makeup tutorial of how I do my makeup to go to work. Also, I show you a couple of my favorite makeup products that I've been loving lately. And I also show you my outfit of the day, my OOTD, so you can know what I actually wear to work. So before starting, subscribe to my channel for more videos weekly. I also post Mondays and Thursdays. Alright, so I'm going to do a quick makeup to go to work. It's going to be very simple. So I have the Dior foundation called Skin Glow. So I got this not too long ago because I'm testing new foundations for my wedding in November, and I've been liking this one. I did have to go back and change the shade. My shade is 2.5N, so I was matched with a warm color. Warms don't work for me at all. I mean, you would think, right? But it really doesn't. I really like that foundation. Definitely has become, I would say, a new favorite because it's glowy but not too intense that you look sweaty or anything. Okay, so next is going to be Best Skin Ever by Sephora, and this is a full coverage concealer, and I've been loving this. I did a TikTok video about it, so I just press and not swipe. I have another swiping method that I will show later, but that's like when the makeup is pretty much done. I applied also Painterly Paint Pot by MAC because I want my eye makeup to last. Now I'm taking an MSF and setting my foundation and concealer. Well, mostly my foundation because I don't like setting my concealer and I haven't had a problem throughout the day. Next, I'm going to do my brows. This is the product that I've been using for my brows. Oh, it's called Arches and Halos. Okay, I got my brows done and also applied the Kosas Air Brow gel product, and that really helps. I've been actually enjoying that. Okay, next I'm going to do my eyeshadow. So I'm going to use Nylon for the inner corner. This is by MAC, and I love this. Is my favorite highlighter of all time. I have to have it in my stash. I'm not going to overcomplicate my eye makeup because I'm just going to work. I just need to look awake and professional. So I'm going to be wearing one of these eyeshadows from MAC, and I had to get out my Z palette. Today we're going very fancy, so I'm going to be wearing this color on my lid, and this is all that glitters. And I'm using a MAC brush. It's like the little white flat brush. So I'm literally just going to apply 2 eyeshadows today. Just pretty much the highlighter, and then this, all that glitters on my lid, and also on my close to the waterline. Okay, now I'm just going to apply eyeliner. So this is from MAC. All right, so I'm done with liner. So my top liner that I'm wearing is this liner that I got at TJ Maxx, and it's literally professional. It's better than so many other eyeliners that I've tried at Sephora. This is the Instant Black Flex brush, and the brand is called Absolute New York. It's waterproof, it's super black, super pigmented, and the tip is just the best. And I've repurchased this every time I go. Try to grab some of these, and I definitely have backups. Okay, as far as mascara goes, I have been using this one a lot lately. It is from Essence / Princess, but I decided to skip it today. It's very hard to remove. So I went with the Anastasia new mascara. I think it's called Lash Sculpt. Applied 2 coats of that. So I'm pretty much done with my eye makeup. And now this is the trick that I was telling you. So I grab a brush, and then I go like this, and then I try to brush a little bit, like very gentle. That way, if any, I mean, I didn't really notice any concealer in my lines, but that will fix that. Now I'm going to bronze my face because I definitely contour. I like this bronzer because it's kind of like very subtle, so not too intense. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my favorite blush from Dior, and it's just the very pink one. Well, it's #1 pink, and I just like to apply a little bit. The good thing about this blush is that you can build it up. It's not super intense, so you can just apply it a little bit and you'll be fine. Now for highlighter, I will be wearing this one, just a little bit, not too intense. I'm gonna apply Pillow Talk lip liner, and I'm going to apply this lipstick by Dior. So this is a custom packaging, and I forgot about the color. Ow. Okay, my cat wants to make an appearance. She scratched the hell out of me just now. Bless her heart. My sweet, sweet teacup. She's so cute. So I forgot which color this was, but it's just a pink color. It's just, since this packaging, I ordered it separately, it doesn't say the color. But pretty much I'm done with makeup. And now I'm going to show you my outfit. So this is my outfit of the day today. And I just wanted to show you what I'm going to wear to work today. This is very realistic. Literally, I'm gonna walk out the door now after this. Cause what time is it? 7:30, all right. So I have this white sweater on. This is from Comments. The ad kept popping up because they knew I wanted the sweater. So I ended up getting it, and it's really nice. I really love these line details. It's just really pretty, and it's very comfortable, looks very professional. You know, it's high neck. I really don't have to wear a long sleeve, but where I work, I have to go on site today, and they blast the AC like crazy people. So yeah, I had a great experience with Commons. It was the first time that I've ever ordered from them, but I always see their ads. And yeah, great customer service, because I had to contact them to exchange address, and really nice people. But yeah, I feel like this sweater, I love it. And if you saw my Zara haul like 2 hauls ago, I believe, I bought some new pants from Zara, one black, and this is the other one that I showed, and I'm going to wear it today to work. I felt like it looked great with the white sweater, especially this white detail here. It kind of has that kind of like pajama pant or boxer type of detail here, and it does have a zipper pockets in the front, but I still think it looks very professional. It's not like it's super tight or anything, very appropriate. And yeah, I did iron this pants this morning. Kudos to me. I don't like ironing at all, but I mean, I had to do it for these pants. And as far as shoes go, these are what I'm wearing. So I got these at DSW, and I love a pop of black color, so I'm just gonna wear these. Closed toe, and they look very professional. Plus these pants are really long, so you're not going to see the back part or this part that much. Not sure if you can see them on, but this is how they look. So I'm not carrying a purse because I carry a backpack to go to work, because my laptop is there, my headphones, and a few other things that I need. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.